Yobobo sent me this roll-up bag that looks kind of stuffed right now. And it's stuffed right now for a reason. I wanted to see exactly how much this thing will hold. But let me show you a few things about it first, okay? Outside. Handle that is padded and velcroed. All right, there's that part of it. There's another handle here. There's a plastic lined pocket here, so if you want to put your ID in here or something in here that has, like, I don't know, directions for doing some specific task that you need to do, whatever, you can put it in there. The straps are adjustable. I've got them stretched out all the way, which I'll show you why in just a second. Comes with a shoulder pouch, and I forgot to zip up a pocket. Oops. All right, so that's my fault because I forgot to zip that pocket up. All right, so here it is laid out. Each of these 4 pockets are 3 by 3 by 12, which is plenty of space to hold a whole lot of stuff. These tools usually reside in this case that I carry inside my RV, or just so that I've got it all. But I wanted to show you, I was able to put almost everything that was in this big box over here in this roll bag. So let me show you what all that entails, because it's actually quite a bit. And the only things I wasn't able to get in here were the things that were 13 inches long, because it is a 12-inch. Right, so this. All right. This back a little bit. All right, more. I'll get it all. I'll get it all. All right, here we go. So all of this was in this one small roll bag. It holds a lot. It's a nice looking bag. It's well made. I am going to use it a lot. Thanks, Yobobo.